Why don't you go look and see how much snow we got?
I was going to do that.
Alright, go look out the window.
It's nice and smooth. I can't see from there, so I'll go up. Mom!
What?
It's nice and smooth.
Madison, how tall is the snow? Go ahead, open the door.
A lot. Mom.
What?
Look at it.
Look at what?
Snow. It's nice and smooth.
Yeah?
Well, in it, no.
You're not going to go out in it?
Not gonna go out in it.
Why?
In my pajamas.
Oh, you want to go out in it?
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
But not in my pajamas.
Okay, let's find something for you to wear then.
Can I just touch the snow?
No.
No, I won't get cold.
I'll throw you out there. Maddie! Ay, ay, ay. You have no shoes on either. Go ahead, step out. Go ahead. How far can you go?
That's cold. I can't touch the snow.
Can you take another step or two?
Okay.
Alright. That might be far enough.
No.
Yeah.
I
Maddie.
can go
Come
a
on.
lot far.
Come on. Come back in.
I can go a lot farther.
Oh.